This 19-year-old college dropout just made $73,000 in 90 days selling something most people think is worthless. Simple Canva designs. She can't draw, has zero design experience, and started with a free account. But she discovered 5 hidden Canva loopholes that 99% of users completely miss. I'm about to expose every single one of these methods, plus the exact templates and strategies she used. But here's what shocked me most. The highest paying method takes less than 10 minutes per design. Stick around because later in the video, I'll reveal the $500 template trick that changed everything. And after that, the automation hack that's pure genius. I've helped over 2,000 people build profitable design businesses using nothing but Canva. Some are making $500 a month, others $5,000 plus. Today, you're getting the complete playbook. 5 proven money-making methods, the exact pricing strategies, and the templates that sell like crazy. Here's what we're covering. Method 1, the $73,000 social media empire. Method 2, the logo goldmine. Everyone ignores. Method 3, the $500 template trick. Method 4, the automation cash machine. Method 5, the recurring revenue secret. But first, let me blow your mind with how fast this actually works. Watch this. I'm going to create a professional Instagram post that could sell for $25 in under 60 seconds. Canva.com, sign up free. I'll wait. Search Instagram post, grab this template, change the text to "Your success starts here." Swap the image, adjust colors, and export. Done. 47 seconds. That design could easily sell for $25 to $50. Now imagine doing that 10 times a day. The math gets exciting. Fast method 1 is how that 19-year-old made her first $10,000. She calls it the social media empire, and it's brilliant because everyone needs it. But most people hate creating it. Small businesses are drowning in social media. They know they need posts, stories, covers, but they're either paying agencies $2,000 plus per month or posting terrible DIY content that kills their brand. Here's her exact system. Step 1, pick your niche. Don't go broad. Pick restaurants, fitness coaches, or real estate agents. Specialists charge more. Step 2, create template package. 30 Instagram posts, 10 Instagram stories, 5 highlight covers, 1 professional cover photo. Step 3, the pricing psychology. Instead of charging per design, she sells monthly packages. Basic, $297 per month, 30 posts. Premium, $497 per month. Posts plus stories plus covers. VIP, $797 per month. Everything plus custom requests. Let me show you exactly how to create a month's worth of content in 2 hours. Open Canva, search Instagram post restaurant. Pick a template with your client's vibe. Create 5 base designs with different layouts. Use Canva's copy feature to duplicate 5. Swap out text and images for variety. Keep fonts and colors consistent for branding. The secret? Batch creation. Don't make 1 post at a time. Create System Sarah from Texas used this exact method. Month 1, $1,200. Month 3, $4,800. Month 6, $12,000. She now has 15 recurring clients and a 6-month waiting list. But here's what she wishes she knew from day 1. Mistake number 1. Underpricing. Your time is worth $50 plus per hour. Mistake number 2. No contracts. Always get 3-month minimums. Mistake number 3. Unlimited revisions. Cap it at 2 rounds. Now, method 2 is where things get really interesting because most people think this market is dead. Method 2. The logo gold mine. Everyone says don't do logos, they're too competitive. They're wrong. The logo market is worth $4.7 billion. And here's the secret. You're not competing with professional designers. You're serving micro businesses who can't afford $2,000 logos but need something better than clip art. Your sweet spot. 150 to 400 logos that take 30 minutes to create. Search logo in Canva. Pick a template, customize text, adjust colors, add an icon, export as PNG and PDF. Professional logo in 8 minutes. The key is volume and speed, not perfection. But method 3 is where the real money is. Method 3, the $500 template trick. The big reveal. This is the method that changes everything. Instead of selling individual designs, you're selling the templates themselves. And not just any templates. You're creating what I call business-in-a-box templates. Think about it. A restaurant owner doesn't just need one menu design. They need dine-in menus, takeout menus, social media menu posts, promotional flyers, loyalty cards, staff schedules, all matching their brand. That complete package, $500 to $1,500, and you create it once, sell it forever. Here's why this works so well. Buyers love bundles. They feel like they're getting a deal. You solve their complete problem, not just one piece. Higher perceived value looks like custom work. Recurring sales, and our same template sells to multiple clients. I've sold the same restaurant template 47 times at $497 each. That's $23,359 from one afternoon of work. Let me create a $500 template package live. Step 1. Choose your industry. I'm doing fitness coaches, huge market, always need marketing materials. Step 2. Plan your package workout plan templates, 5 designs, social media posts, 10 designs, client progress trackers, 3 designs, promotional flyers, 3 designs, business cards, 2 designs, email headers, 2 designs. Step 3, create the master brand. Pick 3 main colors. Choose 2 fonts, header plus body. Select consistent graphic style. Create color palette template. Step 4, build each template. Start with workout plan. Use tables for structure. Add motivational graphics. Keep it clean and professional. Step 5, package and price. Create a preview sheet showing all templates. Write compelling descriptions. Price at $497 for the complete package. Where to sell these packages? Etsy, passive income. They find you Facebook groups, direct outreach to business owners. Your own website, build an email list. Fiverr, higher-end gigs only. Pro tip, create video previews showing all templates. Sales conversion jumps 340% with video previews. But method 4 is pure genius because it runs on autopilot. Method 4, the automation. Cash machine. What if I told you there's a way to make money with Canva while you sleep? This method combines Canva with simple automation tools to create a hands-off income stream. Here's how it works. You create template generators, designs that automatically customize themselves based on user input. Think business cards that auto-populate with customer info, or social media posts that automatically insert their logo and text. You'll need Canva Pro, $12 per month, and Zapier, $20 per month. Total investment, $32 per month. Step 1, create your base templates. Design business cards, flyers, social posts, but leave specific areas for customization. Step 2, set up the automation. Connect a simple form to Canva. When someone fills out their business info, it automatically creates their customized designs. Step 3, the pricing model. Charge $97 for instant automated design packages. No back and forth, no revisions, just instant results. My automated business card generator has made $23,000 in 8 months. That's $2,875 per month in passive income from a system I built in 1 weekend. The beauty? It scales infinitely. Whether you get 1 order or 100 orders, the work is the same. 0. But method 5 is my personal favorite because it pays you every single month. Method 5. The recurring revenue secret. Forget one-time sales. Smart Canva entrepreneurs build subscription businesses. Here's the model that's making people $10,000 plus per month. The design membership business, $97 per month subscription. Members get 50 new templates monthly. Access to exclusive design tutorials. Private Facebook community. Monthly live design sessions. Let's do the math. 100 members x $97 equals $9,700 per month. 200 members times $97 equals $19,400 per month. 500 members x $97 equals $48,500 per month. The work? Create 50 templates per month. That's 12 templates per week or 2 per day. Totally doable. Start simple. 1. Create 100 templates as your launch library. 2. Set up membership site. Use MemberStack or Gumroad. 3. Launch with 50 founding members at $47 per month. 4. Add 50 new templates monthly. 5. Scale with paid ads once profitable. The key is consistency and quality. Your members are paying for fresh, professional templates they can't get anywhere else. Here's your challenge. Pick one method from today's video. Not all 5, just one. Spend the next 7 days implementing it completely. If you choose method 1, create your first social media package. If you choose method 3, build your first $500 template bundle. If you choose method 5, create 20 templates for your membership launch. Comment below which method you're choosing. I read every comment and I'll personally help you succeed. And if this video helped you see the real potential in Canva, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making information on my channel. Your design business starts today. The only question is, which method will make you your first $1,000?